On first squeeze, the brake lever is close to the handlebar. It moves a bit farther after squeezing a few times. Refill the brake fluid for this. Note: this is the oil-filled hole. Have the brake fluid ready and straighten the vehicle body. Force brake fluid into the brake hose by squeezing the brake lever frequently. Once no oil shows in the oil-filling hole, squeeze the brake lever to add oil. Keep squeezing the brake lever until no more air bubbles come out. Note: hold the brake lever tightly without releasing it when adding oil. Tilt the vehicle body to the other side while squeezing the brake lever for more air release. Next, repeat the operation. Once the brake fluid is full at the oil-filling hole, stop adding oil. Hold the brake lever tightly without releasing, and tighten the oil-filling hole screw. Try squeezing the brake again. It should be farther from the handlebar with better braking. For more distance between the lever and handlebar, adjust the small screw next to the lever. The brake lever's opening angle changes with the screw. Set it to a comfortable angle.
Mình sẽ